Let us discuss how to do problems on Liebig's method. So Liebig's method is mainly a quantitative method which we use to determine carbon and hydrogen only. And if they didn't give any other elements, then we can find even oxygen also simply by using this formula. I will tell you that. How can we do problems on Liebig's method before discussing example? Here these are the formulas that we use to calculate percentage weight of carbon is weight of carbon dioxide produced to that of weight of the substance that we took in this process multiplied by weight of carbon to that of weight of CO2 should be multiplied with 100 to convert into percentage. Similarly, how can we find weight of percentage weight of hydrogen, weight of water? Because in this process hydrogen converted into water, carbon is converted into carbon dioxide in Liebig's method. So you have to take weight of the water divided by weight of the substance took for this process should be multiplied with 2 hydrogen atoms, so 2 its molecular weight, and atomic weight to that of H2O molecular weight is 18. You should multiply with 100 to get convert into percentage. This is X and this is Y. And if you subtract these X and Y values from 100, you may get percentage of oxygen. But this is not always possible, because if your substance has some other heteroatoms like sulfur, nitrogen, halogen, etc., then you have to find those percentages also. Then only you have to subtract all percentages from 100. Okay, now let us discuss what type of problems they are asking on Liebig's method. How can we solve that? Okay. So first one, I am going to explain how to find percentage weight of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are asking, see, first problem, calculate percentage weight of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. What does it mean? We can calculate only percentage of carbon and hydrogen by using Liebig's method. How can I find oxygen? Because they are saying that it has only 3 elements in it. So just subtract, after getting these 2 values, subtract those values from 100. Then we will get percentage of oxygen. Now what data they have given? If 10 gram of compound produces 20.5 gram of carbon dioxide and 22.5 gram of water. Here the data they have given is substance, how much they took, the weight of substance they have given. Weight of substance is equal to 10 gram. Okay. Next, what else they have given? They are given that weight of carbon dioxide is equal to 20.5 grams and weight of water H2O is equal to, you can see, 20.5 grams of carbon dioxide, 22.5 grams of water, 22.5 grams. So step 1 is what you have to calculate percentage weight of carbon. So percentage weight of carbon is equal to, what formula we have? Weight of substance, weight of your sample, that is carbon dioxide weight, divided by weight of the substance. W1 by W should be multiplied with carbon molecular atomic weight is 12, carbon dioxide molecular weight is 44, and should be multiplied with 100. Now substitute, this is W and this is W1 and this is W2. So substitute those values in this equation. That is equal to, what is W, how much amount of carbon dioxide produced here? 20.5 grams. And how much substance you took for conversion of carbon into carbon dioxide? 10 grams. Okay, should be multiplied with 12 divided by 44 and should be multiplied with 100. If you do this calculation part, you can simplify it and you are going to get 55.9%. What is this? Carbon. How much carbon is there in 10 grams of sample? 55.9% is there. Next, step 2 is what? Step 2 is you have to calculate percentage weight of hydrogen. How can I calculate this? What's the formula? W2, weight of H2O divided by weight of the substance taken, W, should be multiplied with 2 by 18 molecular weight of water should be multiplied with 100. Now substitute the values in this equation. W2 is 22.5 divided by W is 10 and 2 by 18 into 100. You simplify this, you are going to get 9. How much percentage you are going to get? 25%. 25%. So what is this 25%? Hydrogen is having 25%. Then how can I find step 3? How can I find percentage of oxygen? Percentage weight of oxygen can be calculated simply. You take 100, subtract it from carbon percentage 55.9 minus hydrogen percentage how much? 25. So that will result how much? 19.1%. This will be the percentage of oxygen. Oxygen is equal to 19.1%. So these are the 3 components that are present in 10 grams of sample, that compound that you took initially. Okay, so in this way you can find percentage weight of carbon and hydrogen. Next, sometimes they may give you percentage composition of carbon and hydrogen. They may ask you to calculate mass of carbon dioxide and water. One more example I took here. So let me explain that example. That is, find mass of carbon dioxide and H2O produced from 0.2 grams of substance. So here the substance W is equal to how much? 0.2 gram. And what else they have given? They given percentage weight of carbon and percentage weight of hydrogen. So let us solve. Step 1 is percentage mass of, I have to find mass of carbon dioxide. So percentage weight of carbon is equal to, we know that this is W1 by W should be multiplied with 12 divided by 44. 12 is the atomic weight of carbon and 44 is the molecular weight of carbon dioxide. And in this equation, what were things you know? You know percentage weight of carbon, that is 69, and W1 you have to find out, and W also you know. So you can find W1 easily. Substitute the values in this equation. Percentage weight of carbon how much? 69 is equal to W1, you want to find mass of carbon dioxide, and W is how much? 0.20 grams, should be multiplied with 12 by 44 into 100. So rearrange this equation. This implies W1 is equal to 69 multiplied by 0.20 into 44 divided by 12 into 100. If you solve this equation, you will get the answer. That answer will be, simplify the answer, W is equal to 0.506 grams. This is the mass of, what is this? Mass of carbon dioxide. What else you want to find? You want to find H2O also, mass of H2O. Let's see in step 2. That we will do in step 2. So percentage weight of hydrogen is equal to, because we know percentage weight of hydrogen. So W2 is the mass of water, W is the weight of the substance, into 2 divided by 18. 18 is the molecular weight of water and 100 is the percentage value. So percentage of this is how much? 4.8. That equal to W2 you need to find out. So W2, and W is how much? 0.2 grams. It should be multiplied with 2 by 18 into 100. Now rearrange the terms because I want to find W2. W2 is equal to 4.8 into 0.2 into 18 divided by 2 into 100. If you simplify this, you are going to get the answer W2, that is equal to, you may get the answer 0.086 grams. What is this W2? W2 is nothing but mass of water or weight of water, H2O. So these are the two answers that they asked in the question. Find mass of CO2 and H2O produced. In this way they may ask you to find percentage weight of elements, or they may ask you to find mass of the compounds that produce, like carbon dioxide, H2O in Liebig's method. So hope this method is understood clearly. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and share. Thank you for watching.